So, I don't know if you can see, but I mixed some red. I think it's about the same consistency as the turquoisey green color. The blue and the purple and the pink and it looks like the white are kind of mixing together. I put, the silicone came out really fast, so I put like 3 drops of silicone in the red, I think, 2 in the turquoise, and I think 1 in the pink, and then I was like, that has to be plenty. So, I don't know how this will turn out, but we're gonna try it. So it's the same color as the last time, but quite a bit of red, actually, and I'm using the same cup. So maybe it's kind of a dirty pour, I don't know. So this is what it looks like before torching. I don't actually feel like the color's muddied as much this time. Like, they did kind of blend, but it doesn't seem like it's like watery in between as much. Whenever I use this silicone, it shows the canvas through. I don't know if that happens to everybody or just me. If it's just this silicone. Anyways, I'm going to try to torch it and see what it looks like. So, it looks kind of cool after being torched. It's cool that it works with the glue and the silicone, but I don't like how you can see the canvas through it. Wonder what that is. Like, is that my paint being too thin? Because it happened also with the Artist Loft ready to pour. Wonder if I can find information online or message one of those YouTube channels and ask or something, because it's happened everywhere, really, with the big cells. See the canvas right through, and I don't like that. It's still neat though. Looks kind of like lava. So this one had silicone in it, so it did a lot of really neat cells. It was the school glue and craft paint. So it did a lot of really neat effects here. It did still do that same thing a little bit where the silicone was, you can see the canvas. So I don't know if that just happens with all silicone. I thought it was more noticeable with the Artist Loft paint. Oh, there's like a big blob of something. More blobs. I thought that it was more noticeable with the Artist Loft paint, I think, because this paint is thinner in general. So the difference between where the silicone was and the regular part, oh that's neat, isn't as noticeable as when you have the thicker paint and then it leaves a divot with silicone. This one reminds me so much of lava. It's a neat piece. Anyways, thanks for watching.